Hi guys, in this video we will see how to protect your device location by enabling or disabling random access hardware in your Windows 11 and 10 system. Here is the process how to enable or disable it. Right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, go to network and internet. Click on network and internet. From the right side, go to your network connections, Wi-Fi, click on a small arrow and here scroll down and here you will find the option random access hardware. Help protect your privacy by making it harder for people to track your device location. You can easily hide your device location while you are on Wi-Fi network. Then you can easily protect your device location by enabling or disabling it.